BCH, we start with 1 hour chart. Okay. Now we want to see how we can look for trade. Now we're looking at this. We want to see whether we can get any trade set up or not. If we want to look for buy, we want to see whether we can put this on as a flat in relative to this for any reversal. Okay, but beside that, even in my last analysis, we mentioned maybe this one can tend to have more correction. Okay, that means we can expect to get a more complex correction. That's why we mentioned if we want to look for trade, any trade for buy we consider as a short term. Anyway, if we move to daily chart, the only thing is we want to see whether we can get the consolidation here, and still we can expect the price to drop or not, because we want to see whether this is the only correction we can look for the reversal. We can expect this one turn to a bigger consolidation similar to any of this. Okay, anyway, we want to see how we can look for trade, and as we mentioned, for long term we're looking at the buy. The only thing is, now, can we put this one as a correction relative to this for one move up? Okay, this is what we're looking for. If we get any trade setup, we can look for trade. But how about this? Can we expect this one to retest this low? Also, we have the possibility, because as we can see, what we get here is sharp. If there is a continuation, any flag, we can expect the price to retest this low. Okay, and now we want to see how we can trade it. And if we move to 1 hour chart, as we mentioned, mostly we are looking for buy. And if there is a continuation with a flag, a small correction, for example, similar to any of this, then we can expect the price to retest this low. But right now we're looking at this. And as long as the price haven't break 892, any reversal, we can look for buy. Okay. And when we're talking about the reversal, either we get a sharp move flag or we can have entry above this. But having entry above this, what we want the price sharply reverse and break and continue. With the price tag within 1 or 2 hours is not moving, we should take out the trade. But having entry above this is very risky. It depends on the traders. Okay. By the way, if we get any trade set up, either by a sharp reversal flag or having a treble of the top, as long as the price tag 1042, this is where we start to manage. And if there is a continuation with when the price tag 1100, this is where we book profit. That means at least move our stop loss to first take profit. This is not the take profit. This is where we start to manage. But what we're looking for the reversal as a sharp move. But if the price turn to a corrective move, then I think we don't stay with the trade, because we can expect this one turn to bigger correction for one more drop. If the price didn't continue from here, then we should know, even if we get the buy setup, there is a possibility the price to tag this top, then from there turn to a bigger correction. That's why we're looking for the sharp move for continuation, not the corrective move. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.